Today we're going to talk about the simplified view on Google Chrome for mobile. Hi everyone, it's Carrie from Live Accessible, and I make videos on technology, accessibility, and encouragement for people who are blind and visually impaired. If you're interested in that type of video, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. So today I wanted to talk about the simplified view on the Chrome mobile app, and this is basically a reader mode. It cuts out all the navigation and all the extra links on the side, and it just helps you focus on the main content of the page, whether you want to read it visually or you're reading a screen reader. It takes out all the advertisements and things like that. So right here I have my Pixel 2 XL, and I am open to one of the Live Accessible blog pages. And right at the very bottom of the page, there is something that says View in Simplified Mode. So with TalkBack, I'm just going to navigate to the last item on the screen.
Close button. Show simplified view.
And then swipe backwards. So you can tap right there, and if you are a screen reader user, you can double tap. So right here, it shows the same blog, but with no banner at the top, no navigation buttons, and it just shows the content of the page. It doesn't have any advertisements, so it's as simple as that, just tapping that button at the bottom. The only thing is that that is not available with every web page. It's mostly going to be articles and blogs, and you won't know exactly until you check on the bottom of the Chrome mobile app if the option is available. Now in here, there's a couple of different things that you can do. On the top right, there is the More Options button. I'll double tap there.
Pop-up window. Find in page. In list.
So you can search,
appearance.
And under Appearance, if I double tap there, you can change the theme as well as the text size for this reader mode. So I'm going to change it to light.
Checked.
So you can just see what it looks like. And then I'll go back to Appearance.
Pop-up window. Appearance. Light. Not checked. Not checked. Not checked. Checked.
And I'm going to put it back to dark because that's the one that I really prefer.
Drop down list. 200%.
And I have it on the maximum text size, but here you can adjust it. So I'm going to make it smaller.
50%. 10%. 30%. 37%. 50%.
Let's go with 53%.
Capital A.
And then I will back out of there.
Chrome. More options.
And now you can see that the font is significantly smaller. So it's really up to you what size you want and what theme you want. You can change it there. And if I go back to the More Options button, the last one down is Translate. So you can translate the whole article or blog to a different language. And then to exit out of the simplified view, all you have to do is go to the top left of the screen and hit the Close button.
Close tab button.
There you go, and you just double tap there, and it'll send you back to the page that you were originally on. So that's pretty much it. I really like dark mode. I like white text on a dark background. So I definitely prefer when it is available to use the simplified view. More and more like developers and different apps and companies are trying to do dark mode for different things, and I'm definitely really happy about that. And even just cutting out the advertisements and things like that, it's easier to focus on what the actual content of the page is. So let me know down in the comments if you use this feature. Also a reader mode for Safari on iOS, and I'll be doing a video on that as well. Thanks for watching everyone. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more videos like these. That's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.